day, another beach. Beautiful, this one.
It is possible to drive to Seitan Limania beach. However, it is important to note that the road leading to the beach is narrow, winding, and can be difficult to navigate, especially for larger vehicles. The road includes steep sections and sharp turns, requiring careful and attentive driving. Furthermore, parking near the beach is limited and can be crowded during peak tourist seasons. It is advisable to arrive early to secure a parking space. Seitan Limania, also known as Stefano Beach, is a stunning beach on the Akrotiri Peninsula in Crete, known for its dramatic cliffs, narrow inlet, and crystal clear turquoise waters. It's a popular spot for swimming, cliff jumping, and enjoying the natural beauty of the area. While the beach is known for its beauty, it's also known for its challenging access. Once parked, you will have to navigate a steep path to reach the beach.
This is the famous beach of Seitan Limania, and the fun is to go down there somewhere and go to that beautiful beach. It's better to wear proper shoes to come here, not like this.
Bringing the right footwear is necessary because hiking down the mountain from the parking lot in flip-flops is a challenge. This means that there are no amenities at Seitan Limania Beach. Do not forget to pack your food, water, snacks, sunscreen, towel, or something else that you think you're going to need.
I came from up there, the parking is over there. The trail is coming down like
living the life in Crete. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos.